The best low competition gigs on Fiverr for 2021. Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video here on e-commerce know-how. Freelancing had a huge growth in 2020. A lot of people lost their jobs, and freelancing was one of the few opportunities that people took up. Fiverr did play a huge role in this, as they are one of the best platforms for a beginner to start. But the majority of the people who start freelancing on Fiverr never make it to the top and earn a living. This is because of the competition that this platform has. In almost every niche/category that you choose, you may find hundreds of freelancers providing the same service. So how do you succeed on this platform? By offering a service that's not provided by many other people. In this video, we look at the best low competition, high-earning gigs on Fiverr. Stay tuned. Finding unique methods created by industry experts. Let us elaborate on this first idea with an example. Let's say you are a freelance blog writer. You list your service on Fiverr as I will write a high-quality, SEO-optimized blog post. When people/clients search for a blog writer or SEO article, they get a whopping 29,000 plus services listed. And it's 100% sure that you as a beginner won't be on the first page of their search results. So, what can you do? Find unique methods by which industry experts write. These experts might also give that method a name. For example, Income School is one of the best places for bloggers to learn. They have a flagship training program called Project 24, where they teach people how to blog and everything related to blogging and YouTube. They even have a unique method of researching keywords and a fairly unique method to write a blog post. So, if you list your service as I will write a Project 24 blog post for you, and when people search for Project 24, the results are amazing. Just 131 services listed. And the best part is that out of these 131 services, only 10 to 15 of them are related. Now the next question that you may have is, but do people actually search for this keyword, Project 24? Yes, they do, because Income School and Project 24 are well known in the blogging community. And if you are still doubtful, just have a look at the number of orders some of those gigs have. Branded services. Another great way is to include branded keywords into your gig title and description. Let's say you provide a graphic design service. This is a competitive niche. Instead of this, you could narrow down your niche to something like Spotify banner. This will not only increase your chances of getting an order, but also you could leverage that opportunity to showcase your other gigs that are related to graphic designing. So, this is how you find low competitive gigs on Fiverr. There are many more opportunities like this one. Make sure you do a lot of research. Low competition Fiverr gigs. Now that you know the secret methods, it would be really easy for you to succeed on Fiverr. Anyway, here's a list of 5 low competition gigs on Fiverr that you can easily do and possibly succeed on the platform. Discord PFP. Discord is an online platform that helps you to talk over voice, video, and text. It's mostly used by content creators and gamers to engage more with their fans. PFP stands for Profile Picture, and a lot of people want this to be as appealing as possible on Discord. An animated profile picture is what most people would want, so make sure you learn how to do it. There are just 83 services when search for the term Discord PFP. If you are interested, learn how to make good profile pictures and capitalize on this. Gaming montage. Montage is basically an editing technique that combines small shots of video and compiles it into a 1 to 5 minute video. In this case, it's gaming videos. There are a lot of games right now. Some popular games being Valorant, COD, PUBG Mobile, Fortnite, Minecraft, etc. You could be a montage creator for any of these games, and there are a lot of people who are willing to pay for some really good montages. A simple search of COD montage had only about 270 services. This is a bit high when compared with other services listed here. But if you can find some new, trending games instead of COD, you could succeed here. Skyscraper technique. This is another technique or method that was created by a blogger called Brian Dean. Simply speaking, it's a method by which you write an article that helps you get a lot of backlinks. This gig might be a little bit too narrow, but if you can get some orders, it might help you get more exposure for your other gigs too. There were only 28 gigs listed when we searched for the term skyscraper. This may be a good place to start if you are planning to become a freelance writer. Instagram Reel Ads. Instagram Reels is blowing up right now since TikTok got banned in some countries. Creating an ad that looks like genuine entertainment content is really hard. But if you have that type of skill, this gig is perfect for you. A lot of people are trying to promote their products on Reels since some tend to go viral. If done perfectly, they could save a lot of money on marketing costs. We could find about 300 different services listed when searched for Instagram Reels on Fiverr. You could maybe add TikTok ads to in the same gig or as a separate one. WhatsApp Sticker. WhatsApp is one of the most used chat apps in the world. Providing services related to it will always be profitable as long as WhatsApp exists. WhatsApp stickers can be made by anyone. However, creating a high-quality one would be tough. You would need a good designer for it. There are only 36 services that provide this service right now. The competition is too low, and you could try this Fiverr gig. So, hope you like these low-competition Fiverr gig ideas. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.